2 sets of dentures, 1 tube of cushion grip. Will it help? Will I have teeth tomorrow at work? Or will I wear a mask? We'll find out. Step 1, you heat it in warm tap water for 5 minutes. It helps make it softer. So step 2 is you take the cushion grip and this key and you put it in there and you get it started. And then it's supposed to help it come out. So I'm gonna start with the bottom plate of my old ones. You just roll it out and you take your clean plate and you just mush it in like this. Alright, so it's gonna be like this. You're just gonna put it all in there and push it down. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and you have to put your top plate in with nothing on it, and then put your bottom plate in, and then you press it from the back and push it down and let it sit. Top plate's in. You take the top plate out and you just... Now, same thing with top plate. Alright, here's my top covered. And when you put the top in, you're going to put it in and you're going to press it in the front first, and then take your thumbs and slide it up the roof of your mouth and along the sides to seal it in. Sorry. There's no retakes in this. And then you just bite down and wait. Now, I usually leave them in my mouth for a little bit to let them mold, but then you have all this. And you have all this extra over. I just peel that off. See the top plate? See how thick it is in some places? That's because I needed the extra filling. And on my new bottoms, what I'm doing is I'm leaving some around the edges because that's where it hurts. Moment of truth. Old dentures, they don't fall out. And now my new dentures. Now you just put it in your cup to soak like normal. You can leave them like this with nothing. You can add whatever you like to hold them and they stay. To take this off, you soak it in really hot water. It's a game changer. I love it. If you have any questions, let me know.